your covenant.
Praise Lord, praise Lord.
We've seen your faithfulness from generation to generation. It is written, we're redeemed by your blood. All the old has passed away, the new has come. It is written, it's not by power or might, but by the Spirit of the living God in us. You keep your promises. Your goodness never ends. From generation to generation, you keep your covenant. We've seen your faithfulness from generation to generation. We will trust you and believe, as it's written, let it be. You alone will be a firm foundation. What you've spoken is enough. It's the ground we're standing on. You are God, and we will not be shaken. We will trust you and believe, as it's written, let it be. You alone will be a firm foundation. What is spoken is enough. It's the ground we're standing on. You are God, and we will not be shaken. You keep your promises.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
Your goodness never ends. From generation to generation, you keep your covenant. We've seen your faithfulness from generation to
Hanggang dito na lamang po ang lahat ng kapurihan at pasasalamat ay tanging sa ating pinakamamahal na Princess Pula.